Welcome to Butter Tarot. This is the June forecast for the sign of Taurus. Okay, Taurus, as I was mixing your cards, there were a lot of cards that came up, and most of them were major arcanas. There's a lot of amazing things going on for you, Taurus, and will continue in the month of June. So, for some of you going through this pandemic, it has been a different experience. It's been a powerful experience. You've gotten to know yourself better. You've had clarity. You'd have support. It has brought you, it's brought you together with yourself. That's one way of putting it. It's given you great ideas. It has ideas that were meant to go far. It has given you so much clarity. But let's first look at your cards here. You have the Emperor, a major arcana. You have the Ace of Swords. You have the Lust card, also a major arcana. You have the Princess of Discs. You have the Tower in reverse, the Hanged Man upright, two major arcana. So basically you have 4 major arcanas already, and you have the Three of Cups in reverse. At the bottom of the deck you have the Ace of Disc upright, and you have in the Door Healing with the Angels, Door in Virtue, the Miracle card. Now, as I was shuffling, a lot of cards appeared out. You know, I get connected to what's going on in your life while I'm shuffling. And we also experienced the Death card. You got here with the Oracle cards. There was soulmate and support from the universe. There was a lot of indications of a lot of stuff going on. So for some of you, you have started a business that is so close to your heart, that has been able to be profitable in this last period, and you are doing and working with, the things that you love. You're actually working with your soulmate. For some of you, you guys are unity and creativity is just colliding, and things are going really well, and new ideas and adjusting to live even a better life is in the working. For those of you, you are still in the midst of growing spiritually. There are still some depth to readjust, but those signs are clear. The signs where you need to adjust are very clear for you, and you just need the courage to do so. Now, for others of you, you are a powerful manifester. You set out great intentions that are swiftly coming your way with the Ace of Swords. Those intentions are more aligned with who you truly are. For some of you, you thought you had found your soulmate, and now you have found out that they are not completely aligned to who you are. And for those of you where this is the thing, dare to let go of that person that is not aligned with you, and to receive the person that is just, it will immediately happen. You have here the Lust card. You have here oh yes, and I pulled that Oracle card, soulmate, that I just couldn't fit all the cards, or I didn't pull it, but it was also a mint for your reading. So there is something about clarity. There's something about swiftness of how you are engaging with your own ideas. You're more true to yourself. You are realizing who you are at such a deep level. We do here have the Hangman. The Hangman indicates that there are areas still to work upon, and that is maybe I'm sensing relationship for a lot of you. So it could be in the relationship zone, that you need to know that it's okay to be yourself 100% in whatever relationship you're in right now. It's once you are that, things will naturally evolve as they should. Things will either the person that you're not supposed to be with will be cleared out, or the person that you are meant to be with, but there's been certain friction, stays, and your bond becomes stronger. So it is worth looking at allowing the things that are no longer working for you. We have the Tower here in reverse. It's not going to be dramatic, but it's allowing things to fall that are no longer your energy field. It's not, what is that word? It's not aligned with your energy field. So allowing those things, and it will help you with people actually. Being aligned, truly aligned, and not going, pushing your energy down to fit into that soulmate relationship, to fit into being best friends with somebody. Really standing tall and being with yourself is doing you and the world the greatest of service. First of all, you will help the people that are in your surroundings also aligned to their true self. It cannot, that is the only way forth, or they will find somebody else to align with, and somebody else will come in that is truly aligned. It just feels like butter. It just feels amazing. So June is just going to offer a strong sense of where you need to be. It's going to offer that you're on the right path. It's going to show you completely clearly what you still can work on within yourself, and have the courage to do so. Your life is going to get so much better. So once you're working with those things, you're making your adjustments, the flow will just continue. We're just going to turn over here the Three of Cups for abundance. So even more abundance. You have here the Ace of Discs. You have here the Three of Cups. Those two working together is showing me that June is going to be surprising. Miracles will happen, and the way that you can help all this happen is aligning yourself with yourself, is being true to yourself. Feel the energy. Are you being depleted? Do you breathe out and you get you feel depleted. I even went into my throat. If I have to do this and this, I feel then that is a clear no. If you feel energized, if you feel like, I really like to do this and this, that is a clear yes. So follow that. Follow those different things. Whatever it brings, if it brings anxiety for you, it is not necessarily a sign that that's the wrong way to go. Follow, is this give you energy? Yes, then follow it, and what is that word? Reconcile with your anxiety. It will dissipate if you just allow it to be. Let's see here. What else? Messages. Yes, I see. There's so many beautiful shifts that have occurred in the past 6 months for you, Taurus, and this is a continuation of just, it's like you're in a well-oiled machine, and you're going to continue to keep that machine, up to your higher standards. So from now on and henceforth is just you are in alignment, and you are shifting, and you're shifting more and more closer to who you truly are, and you're acknowledging yourself on all these different levels. You're sitting on the throne. You have a higher consciousness. There's peace around you. Not all that drama. You're basically leaving drama behind. And that is going to just create a shift in consciousness. So whoever these cards, Taurus, if this reading doesn't resonate with you, then there's so many beautiful readers out there. But if it does, take those extra steps. Make a step today where you know that you've held back a little bit. Shift out. Dare to be who you truly are. Dare to connect with the people that are aligned with you. And yes, you're just going to see so many things unfold. There's so many changes happening with this beautiful consciousness. There's so much alignment. There's so much gain to be had and inner richness. There's just a sense of well-being in the month of June. Things will be rectified. And yes, I wish you a great month. I'm sending you a lot of love, and take care until we talk soon. Okay, take care, Taurus. Bye.